buddy.
Hi guys, welcome to Little Learning Corner. My name is Skylar. This is my mom.
I'm Sarah, and if you have been following along, then you know that recently we just moved. We left Ohio to come to North Carolina, and this is our first actual sit down video.
Yeah, it's why it doesn't look the same at all.
It doesn't look the same, but we are loving it in our new house, and we are excited to do this video. So Today we are going to be sharing with you 5 easy Mother's Day crafts or gifts that you can do for your mom, even in quarantine. Okay? All right, let's show them what we got, Skylar. So first off, we did a basket that is everything pink. We went to the store and we found everything pink. And the label says, "I'm tickled pink that you're my mom." And you can get this tag free using the link below to my blog post. But in the basket, tell them what we put in there.
So we put a pink balloon that says Happy Mother's Day and pink nail polish.
Pink nail polish, a pink balloon.
I already said that. A cup that has these cool little ice cubes in it that has water and you freeze them and it's ice cubes. And we have
candle.
A candle and lip balm.
And pink flip-flops. What mom wouldn't want some pink flip-flops? Get you some flip-flops, moms. So this was a fun idea. We just basically walked around the store and found everything pink that a mom would like. And next up, we have some pottery / clay activities that we did together. So the first one, this is a butterfly. It's made out of clay and it's like a jewelry box. And my oldest daughter made this for me probably about 10 years ago, and I love it. And so if you order a clay, like a beginner's clay kit from Amazon, you can do this at home with your kiddo and it'll be perfect for mom. And on the lines, on the same lines of doing clay jewelry, we also did this lanyard.
It's a cute little necklace.
It's a lanyard.
Lanyard.
Again, this is something that you can order and have it shipped to your house so you don't have to go out. I know that's a problem this year, and you can make it with your mom. We had fun making it together. Okay, so next up, number 3 for our Mother's Day gifts is a
rainbow popsicle stick picture frame.
Mm-hmm.
So we took rainbow colorful popsicle sticks, and we put them in a rainbow order. And then we put cute little buttons right here and a little paper clip.
And this is one of my favorites. So this is now going to stay on my refrigerator. And I printed out one of my favorite pictures of the girls when they were little. But everything that you need for this craft, I included links to in the blog post, including the hot glue gun, the magnetic tape, the popsicle sticks. It's all included except for the picture. You can pick out your own picture for your mom. Okay, next up are the Happy Mother's Day printables. So we're just going to show you one. It's a poem. And would you want to read it to them?
Yeah.
It's called Happy Mother's Day. And this is how it goes.
I know you wipe some away, but these prints are made to stay, so keep them forever. And a treasure they will be. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Love me.
So this is a printable poem. Again, it's on the blog post. You can get it, you can print it out yourself. And then after your kiddos read the poem, you can do their handprints at the top. And this will also be a memorable gift to your mom. And one thing that I don't have printed out right now to show you is the other printable. It's called I Love You to Pieces. Her and I did a video on it for Valentine's Day, but it would also be great for Mother's Day. And you'll see a picture of that in the blog post. The link is below. And last but not least because
this is her favorite one, I think.
it's one of my favorites, and I love it. So, what it is
Can I tell them?
yeah.
So it is a thing moms will love.
It's a thing moms will love. So what we did is we just took this little storage container that has the removable dividers, and it's called Mom's Emergency Stash.
And it said Happy Mother's Day on the front.
So this printable tag, the Mom's Emergency Stash, and the Happy Mother's Day tag are also a freebie that you can get using the link in below. So what we did is we filled this with all of my favorite treats, so that way if I'm just having one of those moments where I just want a bite of a sweet treat, it's for me, not this munchkin. So we have Twix, we put in Hershey's, Rolos, some mints, more Hershey bites, and peanut M&Ms. So that just gets stored away for Mom's emergency stash.
Can I have a Hershey?
No, it's for me.
No, you share, Missy.
But one thing I wanted to say was, I know that this year's Mother's Day is going to be different because everybody is stuck at home. But there's still ways that you can celebrate your mom and do some nice things for her. These are all easy crafts that you can do at home, or things that you can put together even at like the Dollar General store. Or if you just want to order them from Amazon, again, I included all of the links that you need, so it's not difficult for you to do. But take time to show your mom how much you love her. And moms, if this is you watching, then, which it probably is, then just do these things with your kiddos and take it as a Mother's Day gift, because it's the time spent with your kiddo that really means the most.
Yep.
Did you have fun doing this?
Yeah, because I love my mommy.
I love you too, Bubby. All right, happy Mother's Day, moms. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
I can't even do the heart. I can't even do it.